What's up guys, and welcome to this video. Today guys, I will show you how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Oanda. So guys, go open your Oanda, this app. As you can see here, this is the MetaTrader 5. So guys, to connect with Oanda, go to file, and from file guys, click login to trade account. This is the trade account guys. So guys, from here, make sure you log in with Oanda account, your account demo or live account, and you want to choose, just log in with your username guys. For example, my name is Adams, for example, and write your password. This is how you can log in, guys, connect your MetaTrader 5 with Oanda. So guys, this is how you can do this, guys. I think this is the only way you can to connect your MetaTrader 5 with Oanda account to trading. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Any question guys, down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. And any question down below guys, and I will answer your question. And thanks again for watching this video. Keep watching guys.